Good morning, Years 5 and 6, and welcome to Tuesday's English lesson. Our learning intention is the same all week. We're looking at using persuasive features in our writing. Yesterday we talked about superlative adjectives in a bit of detail. Today I'd like you to really think about other interesting adjectives that have been included in the Moon Hotel writing to really help sell it to the reader. So have a look through that text. It's not very clear on the screen, so if you have a look through on the blog and see what words that you can pull out that you think the readers used in order to persuade somebody to book themselves a holiday there, and then restart the video when you're ready to move on. Okay, well hopefully you've had a chance to look through the Moon Hotel document and pull out some of those interesting adjectives. A few examples that I've just highlighted here were memorable, impressive, extraordinary, comfortable, fantastic, luxury. They're all the kind of words that are going to sell that resort to people, in addition to those superlative adjectives that we talked about yesterday. Now today your task is to write a short persuasive piece based on somewhere that you really love going. That might be a restaurant, it might be a holiday resort, it might be a theme park. Think about somewhere that you really enjoy going. How would you sell that to somebody else? How are you going to persuade me or your teacher to go there? Okay, so think about using superlative adjectives. Think about using interesting adjectives. Think about using rhetorical questions. Okay, here is an example of one I wrote about a resort in Italy that I went on holiday to, which I really loved, called Sorrento. And we'll just read this through together and see if you can just spot, as I'm reading, some of the adjectives that I've used and rhetorical questions. So, are you looking for a holiday that combines beautiful scenery, amazing food, luxury hotels and sunshine? Then look no further than Sorrento, a stunning coastal resort in Italy. Set on a hillside, every hotel offers unforgettable views of the Bay of Naples. The amazing Italian resort has something to offer everyone. Stroll the bustling streets and take in the tempting aromas of delicious pizza and pasta, or browse the exquisite boutiques. If relaxing is more your thing, then there are plenty of welcoming bars and restaurants from which to watch the world go by. Within easy reach of the resort are days out to suit all interests. Why not take a boat over to the unspoiled island of Capri, or step back in time with a visit to the fascinating lost city of Pompeii? Can you afford to miss the opportunity to visit this popular holiday destination? I can't speak or read. Okay, so I've just spotted somewhere, I think I need to add a comma here, within easy reach of the resort. I'm going to put a comma in there. Our days out to suit all interests. So I've used things like beautiful scenery, amazing food, luxury hotels, stunning coastal resort, unforgettable views. My first sentence is a rhetorical question. My last sentence is a rhetorical question to get the reader thinking. Okay, I've got welcoming bars, exquisite boutiques. Bustling means it's busy, but not in a negative way, so that's quite a nice word to use. Tempting, aromas. So I've used lots. I have noticed I have not used any superlative adjectives in there. So perhaps have a little look at mine and see if you can think of somewhere where I could have used a superlative adjective. And if you can think of somewhere, then pop it on the blog and let me know, or let your teachers know. Okay, anyway, so think of a place that you really like, that you want to persuade other people to go. Do you think I've managed to persuade people to visit Sorrento? I hope so. Okay, well, we'll look forward to seeing what you come up with and see whether or not you've persuaded us to visit your favourite place. See you tomorrow.